Hello students, in this video we are going to study some extra exercise for chapter 4. The chapter name is Heat, class 7, subject science. In the previous videos we had seen textbook solution for this chapter and exemplar book solution for this chapter. So before starting some extra exercise, let me recall what we had learned from this chapter. So we had seen that the degree of hotness or coldness of any object is called its temperature. And we can say an object is hot or cold by its temperature. Then we had seen that the temperature of a substance can be increased on giving heat to that substance, and it can be decreased by absorbing heat from that substance. Then we had seen the instrument which is used to measure the temperature of a substance. So the instrument to measure the temperature of an object is called the thermometer. And then we had seen different kinds of thermometers. So the thermometer that measures our body temperature is called a clinical thermometer or doctor's thermometer. And then we had seen the range of this thermometer. So clinical thermometer can measure temperature from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. And in Fahrenheit scale, it's from 94 degree Fahrenheit to 108 degree Fahrenheit. It is the another kind of unit which is used to measure the temperature. Then we had seen the normal body temperature of a human being. So the normal temperature of the human body is 37 degrees Celsius, and in Fahrenheit scale it's 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. Then we had seen about the laboratory thermometer. So the thermometer which is used in laboratory is known as laboratory thermometer. And the range for this kind of thermometer is usually from minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. Then after we had seen maximum and minimum thermometer. So the thermometer which is used to measure maximum and minimum temperature of the day is known as the maximum minimum thermometer. And in clinical thermometer there is a kink, or you can say a constriction near the bulb of mercury, and this kink prevents mercury level from falling down. So then after we had seen different ways or different methods for the transfer of heat. So the heat flows from the body at a higher temperature to a body at a lower temperature, and that is why hot tea becomes cold due to the flowing of heat from tea to the atmosphere. And on heating one end of an aluminium rod with the flame of a candle, heat flows from its nearer end to the far off end. So then after we had seen first method for this transfer of heat. So the process of transfer of heat from the hot end of a solid substance or solid object towards the cold end is known as the conduction. And the solid substance like metals become hot due to this process of conduction. Then there is the good conductors or insulators of heat. So the substance through which conduction of heat take place easily are called good conductors of heat. The example of this kind of substance are metals like copper, silver, aluminium, iron, etc. are the good conductors of heat. Then after we had seen poor conductors of heat, or you can say insulators. So the materials or objects which do not allow the heat to pass through them easily are called poor conductors of heat, or you can say insulators. And then we had seen some examples of insulators of heat. So wood, plastic, ebonite. Ebonite is the material which is made by mixing rubber and sulfur. It is the poor conductor, you can say insulator of the heat. The other example of this kind of substance are leather, wool, glass, rubber, etc. are the poor conductors of heat. Then we had seen the another method for the transfer of heat. So on heating the vessel which contains water, water gets heated in the vessel. and this mode of heat transfer in water is known as the convection. In liquid and gaseous substance get heated by this mode of transfer of heat called the convection. But there is one exceptional case. Mercury is a liquid even though it gets heated by the mode of transfer of heat called conduction. Then after we had seen about land bridge and sea bridge. So in coastal region, sea bridge during the daytime and land bridge during the night occurs due to this convection. Then we had seen the third method or third way to transfer the heat. So from sun, the heat comes to us by the process called the radiation. And the transfer of heat by radiation does not require any medium. Then we had seen the dark color object or light color object have some properties. So dark color objects absorb radiation better than light color object. And this is the reason why we feel more comfortable in light color clothes in summer season. And woolen clothes keep us warm during the winter season. It is because wool is a poor conductor of heat as we had earlier seen, and it has air trap in between the fibers of wool. And normally heat is more absorbed by the black object compared to the white objects. So these are the things we had seen in the chapter. So now let me start this extra exercise for this chapter. So in this exercise, first question is choose the correct option. In that first question, which liquid is used in thermometer? The options are given to you. The options are water, spirit, mercury or kerosene. So answer is already given to you, that is mercury. Mercury is used in the thermometer. The next question is, what is the range of temperature measured by the clinical thermometer? What is the range for the clinical thermometer? So options are given to you, that is from 10 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius, from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius, from minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius, and from 40 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. So your answer is from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. The next question is, what is the range of temperature measured by the laboratory thermometer? Now it's a laboratory thermometer. The options are from 0 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius, from 35 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius, from minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius, or from 40 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. So here your answer is minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. So for clinical thermometer, it's a 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius, and for laboratory thermometer it's minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. Now next question, fourth number, what is the normal temperature of a healthy human body? The options are given to you, that is 98.6 degrees Celsius, 37 degrees Fahrenheit, 42 degrees Celsius or 37 degrees Celsius. So here your answer is 37 degrees Celsius. And keep remember the unit also, 37 degrees Celsius. Next is, when one end of aluminium rod is heated, then due to which mode of transfer of heat does its other end get heated? In short, in aluminium rod, heat is transferred by which method? The options are given to you, that is conduction, convection, radiation or all of the above. So in the aluminium rod, the conduction of heat take place, or you can say transfer of heat take place by the process of conduction. So your answer is conduction. Next is, which of the given objects get heated due to the conduction? The options are water, milk, air and iron. So your answer is iron, option D. As we had seen in the solid substance, the transfer of heat take place by the process of conduction. So here your answer is Option D, iron. Next is, which of the following substance is a good conductor of heat? The options are given to you, that is ebonite, plastic, copper and wood. So here your answer is copper. Copper is the good conductor of heat, and the rest of the options are the poor conductor, or you can say insulators of heat. Next is, which form of substance are heated by the transfer of heat called convection? In which substance the transfer of heat take place by the process of convection? So the options are given to you is only solid, only liquid, solid and liquid both, or liquid and gaseous both. So your answer is here option D, that is liquid and gaseous both. In liquid and gaseous substance, the heat transfer take place by the process called convection. Next question. Which of the following liquids is heated by conduction? As we had seen, one exceptional case is there. So here that is given to you, in which liquid the heat transfer take place by the process of conduction. The options given to you is water, kerosene, mercury or milk. So your answer is option C, mercury. In mercury, the transfer of heat take place by the process of conduction. That's why we are using this mercury in the thermometers. Next is, by which mode of transfer of heat does the heat come to us from the sun? The options are conduction, convection, radiation and all of the above. So here your answer is option C, radiation. The heat comes to us from the sun by the process of radiation, for which the medium is not required. The next 11th number, the substance of which color absorb maximum amount of heat? The options are given to you, that is white, black, both of the colors or green. So as we had seen, black color objects absorbs maximum amount of heat and white color objects absorb less amount of heat or minimum amount of heat. Next is, what is the normal human body temperature? The options are 96.8 degree Fahrenheit, 98.6 degree Fahrenheit, 37 degree Fahrenheit or 86.9 degree Fahrenheit. So here your answer is option B, that is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. This is for Fahrenheit, degree Fahrenheit scale, and earlier we had seen the same question for the degree Celsius scale, and that the answer for that is 37 degrees Celsius. Next 13 number, the bridge which flows from the land towards the sea at night is known as, so it is known as the land bridge. The bridge which flows from the land towards the sea, it is known as land bridge, and it flows during the night time. Next question is, ventilation in rooms occur due to blank. So the options are given to you, that is conduction, convection, radiation and all of this. So answer is option B, convection, as in the ventilation the heat is transferred in the gaseous, that means in the air. So it occurs due to the process of convection. So your answer is convection. So here our choose the correct options gets over. Next question is fill in the blanks. So in these blanks, first blank is the degree of hotness or coldness of a body is called blank. So it is known as the temperature. The spelling of the temperature is already given to you. So the degree of hotness or a coldness of any object or a body is known as its temperature. The next blank is blank thermometer is used to measure the temperature of a patient. So clinical thermometer, or you can say doctor's thermometer, is used to measure the temperature of a patient, or you can say to measure the temperature of a human body. Clinical or doctor's thermometer is used. Next is a metal spoon kept in hot cup of tea gets heated due to blank. So as the metal spoon, it is a solid object, the transfer of heat takes place by the process of conduction. So here your answer is conduction. The next blank is, in winter we receive heat from a bonfire. It's due to the mode of transfer of heat called blank. So we are getting the heat by the process of radiation. So here your answer is radiation. Next question, next blank is, blank color surface of an object absorb the least radiation. So as we had seen, white color object or white color surface of an object absorb less amount of heat, or you can say absorb the least radiation. So here your answer is white. Next blank is, the metallic pan used for cooking has a blank handle. So the metallic pan that is used for cooking has a insulated handle. It has the insulated handle, as we have to hold that from the handle, so it has the material which is the insulator of the heat. So here your answer is insulated handle. Next blank is, light colors blank most of the heat that falls on them. So light colors reflect most of the heat that falls on that objects. So it is reflecting most of the amount of the heat which is reflecting or which is falling on that object. Next is, we should wear blank color clothes in this summer. So your answer is light. We should wear light color clothes in this summer, as it is reflecting most amount of the heat, or you can say it is absorbing less amount of radiation. Next is, cooking is fast in utensils made up of blank. So your answer is metals, as we had seen metals are the good conductors of heat. The cooking is fast in the utensil which are the made up of metals. Next is, the construction in the glass tube near the bulb of a thermometer is called a blank. So that construction in the glass tube near the bulb of mercury is known as the kink, or you can say constriction. So here we had written kink. So here our fill in the blanks gets over. Next question is question number 3. Give only answers for the following. The first question in that, which instrument is used to measure the temperature of a substance? As we had already seen, the instrument which is used to measure the temperature of a substance is known as the thermometer. So here your answer is thermometer. Next question is, in the weather report, maximum and minimum temperature of the previous day are shown. So which thermometer is used for that? So we had seen maximum and minimum thermometer is used for to measure the maximum and minimum temperature of the day. So here your answer is maximum and minimum. Next, third number, which type of clothes are preferred in winter? So in winter, dark color clothes are preferred to wear in the winter season, as these clothes absorb most of the heat or most amount of heat. So to feel warm, we are preferring dark color objects in the winter season. Next is, what is the color of water in which potassium permanganate is dissolved? So if you dissolve potassium permanganate in water, it will become violet in color. So your answer is violet. Next is, which mode of transfer of heat is responsible for the sea breeze and land breeze in the coastal region? As in the sea breeze and land breeze, the air gets heated by the process of or by the heat of the sun. So here the transfer of heat take place by the process of radiation. So your answer is radiation. Next is, state the unit of temperature. So unit of temperature is, we are mostly using degrees Celsius. The other units for the temperature is also degree Fahrenheit, or you can say Kelvin. Kelvin is also another unit, or which is SI unit which we will see in the next question answers. So it is a SI unit for the temperature, that is one system or international system of unit that are preferring or that are fixing the unit for the different kinds of quantities, or you can say for that temperature they had decided the SI unit, that is Kelvin. So here you can write degree Celsius or you can also write degree Fahrenheit. Next is which metal is used in the bulb of a thermometer. So in the bulb of thermometer mercury is used and it is the kind of metal, one kind of metal. Next is name the mode of transfer of heat in water and in air. So as we had seen in the liquid and gaseous substance, the heat transfer take place by the process of convection. So in water or air, the mode of transfer of heat is convection. So here your answer is convection. So here our question answer, that is short question answer, gets over. Next question is true false. The question 4, true or false, right? True or false. The first one in that, the unit of heat is degrees Celsius. So your answer is false. The unit of temperature is degrees Celsius. The unit of heat is not degrees Celsius. So here the answer is false. Next question, next true false. Heat cannot be transmitted in vacuum by any mode of transfer. So again your answer is false. As we had seen, for the mode of transfer of heat, radiation, in the process of radiation no any other medium required, so in vacuum the heat also can be transferred by the radiation. So here your answer is false. Next is heat cannot be transmitted or transferred in solid substance. So your answer is false. For the solid substance we had seen already, the conduction of heat or the conduction way of transfer of heat is used for the solid substance. Next is ebonite is a bad conductor of heat. So answer is true. Next is when we pour milk in a vessel for heating, the vessel gets heated by the conduction. So answer is true. The vessel gets heated by the mode of conduction. The next question is an object of white color absorb, here ABSORBS, absorb more heat as compared to an object of black color. So your answer is false. White color objects absorb less heat as compared to the black color objects. Next is mercury, or it can be also represented by Hg. It's a symbol of mercury. So mercury gets heated by conduction. So your answer is true. Next is heat is a form of energy which always flows from hotter object to a colder object. So your answer is true. Heat flows from an object which is at the higher temperature to the object which is at the lower temperature. Or you can say object which is hotter to the colder object. Next is a kink in a clinical thermometer prevents the mercury from falling down into the bulb on its own. So your answer is true. For that only the kink type structure, or you can say kink type construction, is there in the clinical thermometer. Next 10 number, a thermometer has a shining thread of a mercury. So answer is true. In a thin hair like thin glass tube there is the mercury. So you can say shining thread of mercury is there in the thermometer. Next is due to conduction, the heat from a body can be felt at a distance. So your answer is false. You cannot feel heat from a body by the method or by the way of conduction. So here your answer is false. So here our true false gets over. Next question is question number 5. Answer the following questions in one sentence, or question answers for 1 marks. In that first question is, what is the use of a thermometer? So thermometer is used to measure the temperature of a substance. that is the use of thermometer. Next is which type of thermometer is used by a nurse to measure the temperature of a patient. So that we had already seen. A nurse uses the clinical thermometer to measure the temperature of a patient. So clinical thermometer, that is your answer. Next is the body temperature of every person 37 degrees Celsius? So no, the temperature of every person may not be 37 degrees Celsius. It may be very slightly higher or slightly lower than 37 degrees Celsius. It is not exactly 37 degrees Celsius for everyone. Next is which type of clothes gives protection from cold in winter? So woolen clothes give protection from cold in the winter. As we had seen, wool is the poor conductor of heat, so it prevents from heat from escaping from the body to the atmosphere, so it prevents from the cold in the winter season, or it can protect from the cold in the winter season. Next question, why do we wear white or light color cotton clothes during summer? So white or light color cotton clothes absorb less amount of heat and reflects more. So in the summer, body remains cool, or to keep our body cool, we are wearing light or white color clothes, as it absorbs less amount of heat and it reflects most of the amount of heat. So that's why we are preferring light or white color clothes in the summer season. Next is what is the use of kink in the clinical thermometer? So kink prevents the mercury from falling down into the bulb on its own. If the kink is not there, then by removing the clinical thermometer from the mouth of the patient, the mercury level will fall down by its own. So to prevent from this, the kink is provided in the laboratory, or in the clinical, or you can say in doctor's thermometer, where it is not present in the laboratory thermometer. Next, seventh number, state the modes of transfer of heat. So there are three modes of transfer of heat. That first one is conduction, second one convection, and next is radiation. So these are the modes of transfer of heat. Next is what is heat? So heat is one form of energy. It is a kind of energy. Next question, how does the heat transfer through liquid and gaseous substance? So heat gets transferred through liquid and gaseous substance by the process of convection. So here your answer is convection, by the process of convection. Next is what is the sea breeze? So in coastal region, during the daytime, the flow of cool air from sea towards the land to replace the hot air which are present on the land. So this flow of air is known as the sea breeze, or the flow of air from the sea towards the land is known as the sea breeze, and it is occurred during the daytime. So this is the sea breeze. Next question, similar like that, what is land breeze? So in coastal region, during the night time, the current to air flows from the cooler land towards the warmer sea, and it is called as the land breeze. So it is occur in the night time, and the air flow from cooler land towards the warmer sea is known as the land breeze. So this is the land breeze. Next question, 12 number, why does the hot tea become cold after some time? So hot tea loses heat in the atmosphere by the process of radiation. So it becomes cold after some time. So from the tea, the heat transfer takes place to the atmosphere. So it loses, or the temperature of tea decreases. So that's why the hot tea become cold after some time. 13 number question, by which mode of transfer of heat does milk in the vessels get heated? So milk gets heated in the vessel by the convection. the liquid or the milk get heat from the vessel by the process of convection. So this is how milk gets heated in the vessel. Next is, what is the SI unit of temperature? So as we had seen, SI unit, that is one international system of units has decided the unit for different quantities. So for temperature, it's a Kelvin, and it gives in the remembrance of one scientist whose name was Kelvin. So from his name, the SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Beside this Kelvin, the other units for temperature are also there, that we had seen, that is degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit. That is also the units for the temperature. Next, 15th number, give 2 examples of good conductors of heat. So the metals like copper, iron, aluminium, these are the good conductors of heat. Next, 16th number, give 2 examples of insulators. So plastics, wood, ebonite, wool, rubber, glass, these all are the poor conductors, or you can say insulators of heat. So here the examples were given to you. The next question is, what is the range of Fahrenheit scale in the clinical thermometer? So in clinical thermometer, the range or Fahrenheit scale range is from 94 degree Fahrenheit to 108 degree Fahrenheit. So this is the range for the clinical thermometer in Fahrenheit scale. So here our question answer, short question answer, that is answer in one sentence, gets over. So till now in this video, we had seen choose the correct option, fill in the blanks, one word answer, true false, and answer in one sentence. So this all exercise you have to write in your homework in your science notebook. In the next video, we will see rest of the exercise for this chapter. Thank you.